How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can add a Python interpreter into PyCharm. So first things first, you want to open up your PyCharm window, application, and then once inside, navigate through the main menu. Now you want to simply look for setting. You can also press Ctrl Alt S on your keyboard as a shortcut. And for Mac users, I believe it's going to be inside preferences. So head over to settings, and then basically inside this page, you have the interpreter option. Now to be able to find it easily, you could also search or use the search function, but generally it's just going to be under Python interpreter, and here we have it. Now to add a new one, you have the add interpreter button, so just click on it. You have add local interpreter on SSH, WSL, Docker, or Docker Compose. Select the appropriate option, and from there you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.